Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sow it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so you're tuning in this to see this video is to know the 5 financial tasks to do on Mondays. But before we dive in, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the bell notification so you know the next time I upload a new video. And so if you have done all too, welcome back to the Money Control TV. So the number one task that we need to do each and every Monday morning is to check your bank account balance. So you already know you probably was out enjoying Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so it's great to know how much money that you have on hand the first day of the week, right? So the first thing that you do is check your bank account balance. So if you have your cell phone, hope that you have downloaded your banking institution app so you know that you can just look and see your bank account balance. Number 2 is look at your budget. Look at all the bills that's due this week. And so I'm looking at what's due. Today is October the 7th, so what's due the 7th through the 14th or 7th through the 15th. So make sure that you look at what bills are due so that you know not to be late, right? Not to be late on your bills. So number 3 is also look at the errands that you have to do or run this week, because a lot of times those errands is attached to that gas. And so if you have a small gasoline budget and saying that, you know what, I'm only going to spend, $40, $50 in gas. And when you look at your errand, you have to, drive across town just for appointments. So making sure that you map out your errands and see the best way that you can maximize your time and making sure that you don't go over your gas budget. Number 4 is, hey, make sure that you stick to your meal planning worksheet. So this is a great time before you leave the house or just when you come home, is making sure that you look at your meal plan sheet and making sure that you stick to the meal plans. And so I'm always looking, hey, what did I plan to eat on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so that we don't go over budget, especially if you have a small budget for eating out. So, in your budget, you should have at least, a little 5 or 10, 15, maybe $20 in your budget, just in case that you forgot the meal plan or you was running out of time and you have to go through the drive-through. So make sure that you look at your meal plan sheet and see what is it's supposed to be cooked, and make sure that you take that meat out, right? Meat out of the freezer, sort of thaw about time you get home. But also we already know that meal prep is done on Sunday evening. And number 5 is make sure you take some time to make those phone calls. So those phone calls that you've been dreading, to call those creditors or just really asking about decreasing your bills, all that good stuff, is, hey, this is a great time to make those phone calls, because, hey, your creditors probably be in a good mood come Monday morning, but Tuesday, Wednesday, as they get calls, there might not be in that grace giving spirit. So make sure you go ahead and make those phone calls. I'm always telling you, hey, call them service provider. If they am not calling you to give you a courtesy call them and give them a courtesy call. And I usually just take some time this part of the year in October is call them and just say, hey, this is Miss Hayes. I've been a loyal customer for these many years, and I'm looking over my budget, and I just see that what I'm paying now, it doesn't fit my budget. Is there any type of rewards for being a long time customer? Is there any way that I can keep the same services but pay a lower cost or a lower price for something? And so you'd be amazed when you make those phone calls. So you guys, I hope this was helpful. There's 5 financial tasks that you do on Mondays. Make sure you like, comment down below. Let me know one of the tasks that you're going to do today on Mondays. Again, make sure that you hit that notification button so that, hey, you can subscribe to this awesome challenge. And so also, if you have not gotten your free gift, your family financial emergency toolkit is absolutely free. Make sure that you click the link down below so that you can grab it absolutely free. And then if you're online and you're trying to make money, also down below is my #1 recommendations on how to make money online. I want you to watch that video. First, when you click on the link, it's going to ask you for your email address. Make sure that you watch the video, because I'm telling you, this single mom is making money online. So you guys, I will talk to you in the next video, and have a happy Monday.